Yes. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to e power minus x into secant cube x into secant cube x. So first we have to write here d square plus 2d plus 2 whole into y is equal to e power minus x into secant cube x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to, apply the quadratic equation formula, minus 2 plus or minus 2 square means 4. 4 into 2, 8 divided by 2. So here minus 2 plus or minus root 4 is 2i divided by 2. Take 2 as a common from the numerator. So we get minus 1 plus or minus I. Yc is equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x whole into e power minus x. Now let y is equal to, multiply this e power minus x inside the bracket. Instead of C1, I will write a of x into e power minus x into cos x plus b of x e power minus x into sin x. Y1 is equal to, y1 is equal to e power minus x cos x. Y2 is equal to e power minus x sin x. So y1 dash, apply the product rule here. So minus e power minus x cos x plus e power minus x into minus sin x. This is the value of the y1 dash. Next y2 dash, e power minus e power minus x into sin x plus e power minus x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. W is equal to y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So I substitute here, y1 is e power minus x cos x into minus e power minus x sin x plus e power minus x cos x minus e power minus x sin x y2. Y1 dash is e power minus x cos x plus e power minus x into minus sin x. Now I will multiply minus, when base are same we can add or subtract the power. So e power minus 2x cos x into sin x plus e power minus 2x cos square x minus into minus plus e power minus 2x sin x into cos x minus into minus plus e power minus 2x sin square x. So I just take out e power minus 2x as a common. I write here cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So 1 into e power minus 2x is e power minus 2x. Now phi of x value is e power minus x into secant cube x. Now I will write the a dash formula. A dash is equal to minus y2 phi of x divided by w. So minus e power minus x sin x. Phi of x is e power minus x into secant cube x. W value is e power minus 2x. So these two will get cancelled. So here I write sin x divided by cos cube x. Here I can write sin by cos x into 1 by cos square x. So here minus minus. A dash is equal to minus tan x into secant square x. Apply the integration on both sides. A dash of x into dx is equal to minus tan x secant square x dx plus k1. Here I do the substitution method. Put tan x is equal to t. Yes, what is the differentiation of the tan x? Differentiation of the tan x. What is the differentiation? Nobody knows the differentiation of the tan x?
Secant square x, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Differentiation of the tan x is secant square x. So we can write here. I just wrote put tan x is equal to t. Here secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Here I will substitute minus in the place of tan x I write t. Secant square dx means dt plus k1. So here I get minus t square by 2 plus k1. That is equal to minus tan square x divided by 2 plus k1. Now b dash, that is y1 phi of x divided by w. So y1 is e power minus x cos x. Phi of x is e power minus x secant cube x divided by e power minus 2x. This both will get cancelled. Here I write cos x divided by cos cube x. So we get 1 by cos square x. We all know 1 by cos square is secant square x. I will apply the integration. Integration of b dash of x into dx is equal to integration of secant square x into dx plus k2. What is the integration of secant square x? Integration of secant square x. Yes. What is the integration of secant square x? What is the integration? What is the integration of secant square x? See, you have to go through with the integration and differentiation.
And x plus tan x.
Integration of secant square x is tan x. Integration of secant square x is tan x plus I write k2. You have to go through with the integration and differentiation basic formulas. It will, or else it will be difficult for solving the problem. Therefore, y is equal to a dash, sorry here, yes, A value is minus tan square x divided by 2 plus k1 whole into e power minus x cos x plus b of x value is tan x plus k2 whole into e power minus x into sin x. Yes, let us see the next one. D square minus 3d plus 2 whole into y is equal to cos of e power minus x. So here directly we can write the auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So we can find out the roots. M minus 2 again m minus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to 1 comma 2. Here you can do the factorization. Minus 3 2. So 2, yes, here it is 2, here it is 3. When you multiply you should get 2, when you add you should get minus 3. So yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Let y is equal to a of x into e power x plus b of x into e power 2x. Call this one as a equation 1. Next, in the next line, write y1 is equal to e power x, y2 is equal to e power 2x, y1 dash is equal to e power x, y2 dash is equal to 2 into e power 2x. Now, w is equal to y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. 2 into, when base are same, add or subtract the power, e power 3x. Here also minus e power 3x. So we get the value e power 3x. Phi of x value is cos of e power minus x. Now a dash is equal to minus y2 phi of x divided by w. That is equal to minus e power 2x cos e power minus x divided by e power 3x. Here 2x, 3x will get cancelled. Remaining will be minus cos of e power minus x divided by e power x. So I will take that e power x to the numerator. So it will become e power minus x cos of e power minus x. Here also I will take the substitution method. Put e power minus x is equal to t. So minus into e power minus x dx is equal to dt. So here integration of a dash of x into dx is equal to minus e power minus x into cos of e power minus x into dx. So here I will write a minus integration of e power x into dx. I write dt, e power minus x into dx, I write it as a dt. Cos of e power minus x, again t. So integration of cos t is sin t plus k1. Sin t plus k1. So a is equal to psi minus sin of e power minus x plus k1. This is the a value. Next, b dash is equal to y1 phi of x divided by w. E power x cos of e power minus x divided by e power 3x. So here it will get cancelled. Cos of e power minus x divided by e power 2x. This e power 2x I will shift to the numerator, so it become e power minus 2x cos of e power minus x. I apply the integration. B dash of x into dx is equal to integration of e power minus 2x cos of e power minus x into dx. Here I split this one, e power minus x into e power minus x, cos of e power minus x into dx plus k2. I just write here k2. Now again same substitution, put e power x minus x is equal to t. So minus e power minus x into dx is equal to dt. Integration of b dash of x, that is b of x, you can write, that is equal to minus integration of minus e power minus x into dx, that I will write here dt. One more e power minus x, I will write t. Cos of e power minus x is cos t plus k2. Here we have to apply integrating by parts. So I will take t as a differentiating factor and cos t as a integrating factor. Integration of cos t is sin t minus integration of sin t, differentiation of t is 1 into dt plus k2 plus k2. So here minus t into sin t, minus into minus plus, integration of sin t is minus cos t plus k2, minus cos t plus k2. Yes. So we have to substitute the t value, minus e power minus x sin of e power minus x minus cos of e power minus x plus k2. Therefore, y is equal to minus sin of e power minus x plus k1 plus k1. Wait a minute. 1 minute. Yes, minus e power minus x, here change the sign, it become plus here, sorry, become plus. So here plus sin x e power minus x plus k1 whole into e power x, again plus minus e power minus x sin of e power minus x minus cos of e power minus x plus k2 whole into e power 2x. D square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e power x. So directly we can write auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So here we get m plus 1 into m plus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 2. Yc is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Let y is equal to a of x into e power minus x plus b of x is equal into e power minus 2x. Y1 is equal to e power minus x, y2 is equal to e power minus 2x. Y1 dash minus e power minus x, y2 dash is minus 2 into e power minus 2x. W is equal to y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. So minus 2, when base are same, we can add or subtract the power, minus 3x minus into minus plus e power minus 3x. So we get minus e power minus 3x. That is the w value. Phi of x value is e power x. Now a dash minus y2 phi of x divided by w minus e power minus 2x e power x e power minus 3x. Minus minus get cancelled, 2x also get cancelled. E power x divided by e power minus x. So what we have to do? We have to take that e power minus x to the numerator. So it becomes e power x into e power x. Apply the integration on both sides. Apply the integration on both sides and do the substitution method. Put e power x is equal to t. E power x into dx is equal to dt. So here what I will write? Here I will write a of x. Instead of e power x into dx, I write dt. E power x means t. So integration of e power t is e power t plus k1. But e power t value is e power x plus k1. This is the value of the a1. Next, b dash. y1 phi of x divided by w. That is equal to y1 e power minus x e power x divided by minus e power minus 3x. So I write minus here. Here e power x divided by e power minus 2x. So I shift this e power minus 2x to the numerator. So it becomes e power 2x e power x. Then I will split e power x into e power x. Now I will apply the integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. Here also same substitution, whatever I have written here, same substitution we have to take. Integration of b dash of x is b of x, that is equal to minus integration of e power x into dx. I write here dt. This e power x I mentioned t, and for this e power t. So here I have to apply integrating by parts. So e power t integration is e power t. Write the differentiating factor as it is, minus e power t integrating factor. Differentiation of t is 1 into dt plus k2. So minus into minus plus, integration of e power t is e power t minus t into e power t plus k2. Therefore, y is equal to a value is e power x plus k1 whole into e power minus x plus b value is e power x. I will take common 1 minus e power x plus k2 whole into e power minus 2x. Minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e power minus x. First we have to write in the form d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 1 plus e power minus x. Next, auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. M minus 1, m minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies m is equal to 1 comma 2. Again yc c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Let y is equal to a of x into e power x plus b of x into e power 2x. Call this one as a equation 1. y1 is equal to e power x. y2 is equal to e power 2x. y1 dash is equal to e power x. y2 dash is equal to 2 into e power 2x. Now w is equal to y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. 2 into, when base are same, we can add or subtract the power e power 3x minus e power 3x. So we get e power 3x. Phi of x value is 1 divided by 1 plus e power minus x. So I just write here 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by e power x. Take the LCM. 1 by e power x plus 1 divided by e power x. This e power x will go to the numerator. So it becomes e power x divided by e power x plus 1. This is the further substitution for the phi of x. Next, a dash is minus y2 phi of x divided by w, that is minus e power 2x minus e power 2x. Phi of x means e power x divided by 1 plus e power x into w value is e power 3x. So this 2 will get cancelled. Minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power x. Minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power x. So I just apply integration a dash of x into dx is equal to minus of 1 divided by e power x into dx plus k1 plus k1. So here, 1 minute. Now here again we have to do the substitution method. Here yes, we need to do the substitution method by taking here put e power x is equal to t. So e power x dx is equal to dt. So in the place of dx, I will write dt divided by t. dt divided by t. In the here I will write minus dt divided by t into 1 plus t plus k1 plus k1. Now again we have to apply the partial fraction method, that is 1 divided by t into 1 plus t is equal to c divided by t plus d divided by t plus 1. That means 1 is equal to c into 1 plus t plus d into t. So here put t is equal to 0. Then we get d is equal to, c is equal to 1. Put t is equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 1 means c becomes 0. D is equal to minus 1. That implies integration of a dash of x is a
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.